Hey, Lincoln Links, and welcome back to a special episode of Lincoln News. I'm Campbell.
And I'm Indira. We are so glad to be able to be back and talking about all the awesome things that the Lincoln Links have been up to.
We hope that you're doing well and staying safe during this crazy time.
Hey Campbell, guess where I'm going tonight?
Ooh, where?
I have a reservation in the dining room from 8 to 9.
I think I have even crazier Friday night plans. I'm going to club living room from 10 to 11.
Wow, looks like we both have a wild night in store. You know what else is wild?
These funny TikToks we've been watching. Take a look at one of my favorites.
Hey, so you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Hacking, stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage.
Wow, that was great. We love to see our Lincoln Links on our For You pages.
Yeah, our links sure do some exciting things. Let's see what Liam and Maddox have been up to.
Hey Siri, where's the nearest shortcut?
I got you, fam. Take the next left.
Well, looks like you won this one. Better luck next time, you son of a goon.
Wow, they were really zooming. Reminds me of the toy cars I used to play with.
Yeah, I don't know about you, but spending all this time at home has really got me thinking about the good old days.
I just remembered, I have an idea for a super cool Lincoln t-shirt design. I just wish that there was a contest where I could submit my amazing ideas for Lincoln swag.
Indira, have you not heard? There's a t-shirt contest where you can make a limited edition Lincoln Quarantine t-shirt going on right now. All you have to do is send your idea to the Lincoln Instagram or email.
OMG, no way. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. I gotta go submit my ideas right now.
Speaking of a little competition,
Representatives of each house competed in a head-to-head battle for the #1 Lincoln Trivia Champion.
I heard it got a little heated between the houses.
Let's sit back and watch.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to our virtual Kahoot. Here we have the champions from each house. From Triangle House, we have Lillian.
Hello.
From Circle House, we have Eli.
Hi.
From Square House, we have Tim.
Hello.
And from Oval House, we have Kevin.
What's up?
Let's get this Kahoot started. The winning player will win 5 points for their house. here we go. Let's get started. All right. Time to begin. Wow.
Are you sure?
Half and half according to the schedule. In first place, we have square and oval houses, and then tied for second are triangle and circle. Let's keep going, see how the scoreboard changes.
Man, these questions are hard.
This is a challenging Kahoot. All right, let's see who got that question correct. Wow, oval is rising up. Let's see. First place we have oval house. Second place we have squared, and tied for third are triangle and circle. Wow, this is the most correct we've gotten per question. Oval is still in first. Triangle has risen above the pack, getting 790 points there.
On the board.
Yeah. Now, Lincoln is actually one of the oldest buildings in all of Seattle Public Schools that is still operational. So that's pretty cool to have a school that is both old and new. Let's move on. Everybody has gotten some points. Oh, square has overtaken oval house. This point. Let's see what happens in the final question.
Let's go.
Now let's see our podium. And congratulations to Lillian for coming up from behind and winning 5 points for Triangle House. Shout out to the others on the podium. Tim from Square House and Kevin from Oval House. Thanks y'all for playing.
All this Lincoln pride makes us a little competitive. Speaking of, let's get a recap of our second virtual Spirit Week.
I heard that the teachers have been battling it out on the dance floor.
Now this is something I have to see.
Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time to survive you, I'm better on the other side. Don't start caring about me now. Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time to survive you, I'm better on the other side.
Make sure to go vote for your favorite on the Lincoln Instagram. You know what is wild in?
That we have no school on Monday? Yeah, I know. But what does that mean for the schedule?
Oh, I know. You just gotta check the school website and the school Instagram or screenshot this next slide to know when all your favorite classes are starting.
OMG, thanks, bro. Super helpful.
To be real with you, I've been kind of bored during quarantine. Do you have any ideas what I can do?
I don't, but I think the leadership class may have some ideas.
Put your flags up in the sky. And wave side to side. Show the world where you're from. Show where you're from. Show the world we are one. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. One love, one life, one world, one fight, whole world, one night, one place, Brazil. Everybody put your flags in the sky and do what you feel. It's your world, my world, our world today, and we invite the whole world to play. It's your world, my world, our world today, and we invite the whole world to play. Es mi mundo, tu mundo, el mundo de nosotros. Invitamos a todo el mundo a jugar. One night, watch the world unite. Two sides, one fight, and a million eyes. Full hearts gonna work so hard, shoot all the stars, fist raise up towards the sky. Tonight, watch the world unite, world unite, world unite. For the fight, fight, fight. One night, watch the world unite. Two sides, one fight, and a million eyes. Order side, come on, sing with me. Halle, halle, come shout it out with me. Come on now, come on now, Put your flags up in the sky. And wave side to side. Show the world where you're from. Show the world we are one. Obrigado.
You thought it was over.
First thing a girl did was a bop on the whole cake and the cherry on top. Shook up the bottom, made a good girl pop. You ain't even here to party. Ken in the club tryna pop Barbie. I don't wanna go with the flow back then until I touch my toes. I don't wanna row the boat. Wrist full of rocks and I hope I float. Big up yourself cause you know they don't. I chew cause they hope I show. I'm a boss. I'm a and a boss. I'ma shine like gloss. I'm a boss. I'm a and a boss. I'ma shine like gloss. I'm a boss. I'm a and a boss. I'ma shine like gloss. I'm a boss. I'm a and a boss. I'ma shine like.
Wow, that was great. But I'm still gonna miss school.
I know. I can't believe I won't be able to go back to Lincoln this year. I made so many good memories that I never want to forget.
Me too. But thank goodness we have this slideshow to remind us of our first year at Lincoln.
What a fantastic year. We are so grateful for the wonderful year despite how it ended.
That's for sure. We feel so lucky to still be able to have Lynx Pride from home.
Thank you so much for watching this special Lincoln News episode.
Go Lynx!
Rawr.